At this video, we will see some changes that I made to the aircon knobs. I painted black and changed this lighter to a USB adapter because we don't use it. It's a dual USB. It's very simple. You have to
remove some Phillips screws.
There are two there, and other two here and here. And then you have to pop up that panel. It's very easy. It has two clips, the holder of the lighter. This is the paint we use. This is the first coat, and this is the third. And this is what
it looks like now.
Ready, installed. It's very easy. Is with positive and negative terminal, so the lighter the same, so it's plug and play. This is the holder of the terminal of the lighter.
And that's it. Job done. Tell me what you think down on the comments on the section. So what other upgrades you want to see for the Nissan Micra?
See you around. Jamata.